How artificial intelligence will take over human jobs in future. As technology continues to advance at an exponential rate, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into our daily lives is becoming increasingly common. One area where AI is making significant progress is in the workforce, and it's predicted that AI will take over many human jobs in the future. Artificial intelligence can analyze large amounts of data much faster and more accurately than humans, making it ideal for many jobs. For example, in the manufacturing industry, robots and AI are already used for assembly line work, packaging, and quality control. In the transportation industry, self-driving vehicles are becoming more common, which will lead to a significant reduction in the need for human drivers. In the healthcare industry, AI is being used to diagnose diseases and develop personalized treatment plans. In the financial industry, AI is being used for fraud detection and to analyze market trends. These are just a few examples of how AI is already taking over human jobs, and this trend is expected to continue. While AI has the potential to create new jobs and increase efficiency, it will also result in the loss of many jobs currently done by humans. This shift will require significant changes to our workforce and education systems, as well as ethical considerations around the impact on individuals and society as a whole. In conclusion, the integration of AI into the workforce is inevitable, and it's crucial that we prepare for the changes it will bring. While AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries, we must also be mindful of its impact on human workers and work towards a future where both humans and AI can coexist and thrive.